Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about how to set financial goals and stick to them. This is a topic that I'm really passionate about because I believe that everyone deserves to be financially secure. So, how do you set financial goals? Well, the first step is to figure out what you want to achieve. What are your short term, medium term, and long term financial goals? Once you know what you want, you can start to create a plan for how you're going to reach your goals. There are a few things to keep in mind when setting financial goals. First, make sure your goals are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time bound. This will help you stay on track and motivated. Second, don't be afraid to start small. If you're not used to saving money, start by setting a small goal, like saving 100 rupees a month. Once you've reached that goal, you can gradually increase your saving amount. Finally, don't give up. Sticking to your financial goals takes time and effort, but it's worth it in the end. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped you learn how to set financial goals and stick to them. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below and be sure to subscribe to my channel for more financial tips and advice. In the next video, I'll be talking about how to create a budget, so stay tuned.